Reasons not to make video for your business. Number 8, I don't have time. It can be quite tough when you run your own business to find time to do all the things that you need to do, let alone do all the extras like making videos. But we all can squeeze in a couple of minutes here and there, and it only needs to take a couple of minutes. It doesn't need to take hours on end to make a quick video that's going to be of real value to your audience to put on your social media. You know, these videos that I'm making here, they're a minute, 2 minutes max. And that's what it takes to make them. Time it takes to talk to the camera doesn't take forever. I squeeze them in if I arrive early for a meeting. Just a minute or two to make a video. Sometimes I make a video when I'm waiting for the kettle to boil. Or on this particular occasion, when I'm out with the dogs, going for a walk, chucking a ball around. We can all find a couple of minutes here and there. Get it!